to the next module, and thank you for subscribing. In this module, we're going to be covering another point on investment research, technical analysis. The 2 points that I want to get across here are: one is a basic understanding of technical analysis and an introduction to charts. Two, I want to show you a few charts and maybe some resources for further education so that you guys can improve your knowledge on technical analysis. To start off with, technical analysis is nothing but a graphic representation of securities via charts, and analysts will be looking at them. They require highly analytical as well as quantitative skills to analyze these charts, to produce investment recommendations on the spot, so on and so forth, and investment trade strategies. The objective here is to analyze securities solely on the basis of volume and price movements, and make investments on the basis of trends and chart patterns spotted. So this is how they work, and clearly the rigor of quantitative and analytical skill set is very high from my very ab initio learnings after reviewing some significant material on technical analysis. There's many types of charts that exist, but mostly there's line charts, bar charts, and candlestick charts. Technical analysts are concerned with three things mostly. They're concerned with the current share price of the security, they're concerned with the history of the price movement, and the volume of the shares. To give you a view, here we have a sample. This was taken from Stock Charts. It's PayPal as of 6 June 2018. We can see the open, the high, the low, the close, the volume, the change. Everything circulates on these four kind of metrics mostly. And then you can see the plotting on a per date basis of the performance of the security. We see the plotting, so on and so forth. Okay, great. So what do these analysts do? These analysts essentially they use chart creators, for example, Finwiz, for example, and we can go to what I've done here is I've gone to an advanced version. Well, let me just briefly start again for you. PayPal. We look up PayPal. We go to the advanced version and we can see a daily. So basically, by plotting on a daily basis these points, the analysts are able to derive trends, upward trends, downward trends, sideward trends, all types of trends which indicate the movement of the stock. And on the basis of that, they are able to adjust and produce recommendations for investments. Now, one thing that is very important, which I want you guys to take away, is what these lines are. So you see these little candle shapes, points, candle shaped. These are candle shapes. These are referred to as candlesticks, and they help us understand the security from an open, close, high, low perspective. Okay, giving us a lot of indication of these particular data points. So what we see here is we see the candle, we see a high, we see an open, we see a close, and we see a low. Then we also see how these candle shapes are placed throughout the graph, the chart. They give us a lot of information, and it's very, very accurate. It's very important, and the candlesticks are just a basic stepping stone. I basically wanted to show you one of my, here it is. So basically candlesticks are very complex. This was sourced out of here, this image, but we can see a lot of different types of charts and patterns which are useful for analysts to predict future behavior of a stock. I'm not going to go into details, but I do recommend this book, Getting Started in Technical Analysis by Jack Schwager. You will soon be seeing this anyways as I close the video. Okay, so another thing that I want to teach you guys is basically understanding this, the importance of these 4 points on a basic level. So every day I get an email, and this email tells me for example, for Dow DuPont, it gives me the last price, the volume, the day high, the day low, and today's open. It gives me these variables. For today, which was June 6th, I got all this information. This is critical information that is being plotted on these graphs, as you can see, right? Now, if I go to search Dow DuPont, I should be able to see the similar information, right? So let's go with the last price, 70.04. Last price, close price, 70.04. Fantastic. Volume, 13.91 million. Great. This is the information we're focusing on. 13.91 million, 13.91 million. Great. Day high, 70.16. Day high, 70.16. Day low, 67.86, 67.86, and day open, 68.04. So clearly this whole chart actually helps us, and it's very much in line with the type of information that I'm getting from investor relations. To get these email alerts, it's very simple. You can go to investor relations of Dow DuPont. DuPont Investor Relations. And here you will be able to sign up for email alerts. Your email, you'll get information on SEC filings, end of the day stock quote. This will help you kind of build yourself as you move forward in the technical analysis skill set, even if you do not have the infrastructure, which is Bloomberg terminals and so on and so forth. Okay, to close the video, I'm going to leave you with a link here in Investopedia. There's this excellent article. I think it's top 5 or 7 books to learn technical analysis. Here I'm going to just list them quickly. Getting Started in Technical Analysis by Jack Schwager. Technical Analysis Explained by Martin Pring. Technical Analysis of Financial Markets by John Murphy. How to Make Money in the Stocks by William O'Neill. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nyson. Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns by Thomas Wulkowski. Technical Analysis Using Multiple Time Frames by Brian Shannon, and so on and so forth. So here you are going to be able to see the different players to reading and learning more about technical analysis. This will definitely help you. Okay, great. So that's all for now, and we will be talking about our next topic in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you very much.